Using a template, trace your shape with the Sharpie and fill your page with patterns. Overlap the shapes and sizes repeatedly. Look for the download. Overlap the shapes and sizes will create a more interesting design. Color with markers, crayons, colored pencils, or watercolor pencils. Where the shapes overlap, use a different color. Continue to color until you fill in all the spaces, and remember to change your colors where the shapes overlap. I outlined the open spaces towards the edge with a marker and used a brush with water to get a watercolor effect. I continued outlining and brushing until I filled all of the edges. This project can be done on any paper you have at home and get great results. As you can see, I used a page from a calendar. Have fun!